Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Maths 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue in the first chapter, that is integers. In previous classes already we have discussed about that the basic operations of integers. I mean addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And also we have discussed about that what are the properties of that integers. So students, while we are doing these operations, basic operations, we will follow that some rules, and without rules we will get the confusion. Let us see what is operations. Friends, I will explain one example with this. Suppose 24 divided by 6 into 2. So if these are the two basic operations, one is division, one is multiplication. So whenever we are this problems we are going to solve, some students they will get that error or that they will do that wrong while doing this. So let us see different way we have to find out that answer. One is error method, another is correct method. If you will go, somebody will do, suppose first method you will do 24 divided by 6 into 2 is equal to, first they will do divide this is equal to 4 into 2. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This is one method. Somebody will do 24 divided by 6 into 2. First you will do this 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. So here one answer came, same things, answer came 2. Same things, the answer came to 8. So in out of this, which method is correct, which way is correct? The method 1 is the correct, this is the wrong. Okay friends, so to avoid these mistakes, we should, which one we will get the confusion to solve these problems. So for this we have to face or we have to follow one rule. That is, the rule is called as what? Bodmas. What is that students? Bodmas. What do you mean by Bodmas? The Bodmas is stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let us see that students, first of all, that this is, with this formula we have to use that, we have to expand that bracket or we will do that basic operations. So what is this? So it will stands for B for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Students, when we are doing this solving the problems, at that time you must follow this rule. By order you have to do that or you have to solve that problems. Okay, if that problems or the questions having the brackets, then you have to do the first bracket work. Whatever the bracket inside, that you have to open the brackets. Then after, if the multiplication is there, you have to do multiplication with bracket. Then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Step by step you have to do. Let us see what are the build with one example. See students, 24 divided by 4 into 2 plus 8 minus 2. See, observe friends here. This is the bracket. This is into, this is plus. That means 4 basic operations also is reality there. So first of all, what you are going to solve? Solution. 24 divided by 4 bracket into 2 plus 8 minus 2. So in these cases, which operations first of all you have to do? Which one things? Now you have to follow that Bodmas rule. First bracket is there or not, you have to check. Now is bracket is there. What is the bracket inside there? That is solve. So this is, how much will come? 6. And as usually write into 2 plus 8 minus 2. Okay, bracket over. Okay, of that is multiplication is there. Then after you observe that multiplication. So students, this is multiplication. So you have to write 12 plus 8 minus 2. Okay friends, the multiplication, this is also of multiplication, this is also multiplication. Of means if bracket of if it is there, then you have to multiply. So observe friends, here multiplication over after addition. So first you add 2, don't do subtraction, first addition to 20 minus 2 is equal to 18. Are you clear? So this is the bracket works, or what are the BODMAS rules we are following, how like applying this basic operations, which operations we are doing the first, that we have to follow. Okay friends, next friends we will use that brackets. So students, what is the brackets? Students, while we are doing that problems, there we are facing that we are finding so many different types of brackets. So generally, what are the brackets, what are the name of the brackets, and what are the symbols we have to utilize, and which brackets first we have to use also, that also we have to learn. So first one bracket, this is we can write also symbols. Symbols, and we have to write the name of the bracket. Okay friends, symbol and a name. So first bracket is one line like, that means if it will be suppose like this 2 into 3 like this is line, this is also one bracket. Okay friends, so this is one line, this is called as vinculum. What is that friends? Vinculum is the one bracket, this is like just like one line. Whenever this bracket after another one bracket, it is called as, what is this bracket? This is called as also round bracket. Okay, what is that? Round bracket. Third one is there, curly bracket. Curly bracket. Fourth one is square bracket. Okay students, these are the four types of brackets. Observe students, one is vinculum bracket, one is round bracket, one is curly bracket, one is the square brackets. So whenever that is vinculum bracket is there and curly bracket there, two brackets in that one problem set is there, then you must do that first vinculum bracket first you remove, then you go for the curly bracket. If vinculum bracket is there, curly bracket is there, square bracket is there, so which bracket first you have to do? Vinculum bracket first you have to do, then after curly bracket you should open that. Okay students, we will take that one example also for this. We can take one example friends. 36 minus bracket start 5 divided by 10 minus 5 this is I have given. This you can keep also. This bracket because only two brackets are there. Oh. Okay. So observe friends, what you have to do? Solving we are doing solution. Whenever we are doing, observe friends, how many brackets are there? These are the having two brackets. One is round bracket, another one is curly brackets. So curly bracket inside the round bracket will stay. Okay friends, so this is the first, then after this, so this bracket work you have to do, otherwise you have to know this bracket. So first write down the question. Is equal to 36 minus 5 minus 10 minus 5. How much will come? 5. Is equal to 36 minus 0 is equal to 36. Observe friends. First I work this one because you have to go inside the bracket. Then after bracket inside from round bracket is there. Solve with this. So 10 minus 5. First you have to do this. Is equal to answer. As again other remain as usual. Okay friends. So 5 minus 5 is equal to how much? 0. 36 minus 0 is equal to 36. This is the open that bracket one. Okay friends, and you should do other remain, and in your textbook it is there, and you should practice this and remember it. Okay friends, thank you. Okay, so now you can see that another one example with this. Observe here friends, solution here given, that one question I written here now. 49 divided, here this is the one bracket inside, that is which bracket this is? This is bracket is called as square bracket. This is curly bracket. This is round bracket. Yes or no? Three brackets are there. This is mean column bracket. So first of all, you write the questions first friends. 49 divide square bracket started 49 plus curly bracket started 49 minus 49 plus 49 minus 49 mean column bracket. This is bracket closed. Okay. Now students observe first of all which work you will see, means you will get the confusion. First of all, where you will go. Now first of all you go to bracket, square bracket. That inside is curly bracket. Curly bracket inside which bracket? Round bracket. Round bracket inside what is there? Now mean column bracket. So you have to do this first, this work. Are you clear? So other remain as usual. So 49 divided 49 plus 49 minus 49. Up to here we came. This we have to solve because mean column bracket first one will come. So is equal to 0. Remain as usual the bracket. Now one bracket we removed here. Next bracket which one we have to remove? This round bracket. So we write that this same as it. 49 plus 49 minus 49 plus 0. This bracket you have to do first. Again only 49. So curly bracket, this bracket over square bracket. 49 divided 49 now this bracket. So is equal to plus here. This bracket work we are doing, curly bracket work 0. 49 divided this bracket is equal to 49. Now division 1. This is the answer of. Okay friends. So like this you have to complete that work in your home also. Thank you all.